Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel Education for All, and I am your teacher Maria Maman, and today we will start a new topic from our interclass biology book. So dear students, let's see and start our today's topic. Dear students, our today's topic is osmoregulation. And before starting our today's topic, let's discuss key points of our previous lectures. So, dear students, in our previous lectures, we had studied introduction of homeostasis, and then we had discussed the elements of homeostasis, and then we learned about feedback mechanism which controls the homeostasis. And now let's start our today's topic, that is osmoregulation. So dear students, in osmoregulation, organisms maintain the amount of water and minerals in their body to perform many vital functions. And this is the definition of osmoregulation. As I have discussed with you the problems faced by the osmoregulators, so let me define first what are osmoregulators. So dear students, the organisms which maintain the osmoregulation are known as osmoregulators. And dear students, before discussing the problems which are faced by the osmoregulators, let's discuss some terms like hypotonic, hypertonic, and isotonic. So, first come to the hypotonic. Dear students, hypotonic means when the amount of water is more than solutes in the environment or around the cell or around the organism. And what is hypertonic? Hypertonic is just opposite to the hypotonic, means when the amount of solutes are greater than water, that condition is known as hypertonic. And dear students, now the isotonic. Isotonic is the condition in which amount of water and salts are in equal condition, in equal form. So these are the terms which are used here, and now you know the meaning of these terms, and now you will better understand this topic. Now let's start. Dear students, freshwater animals have an external hypotonic environment while they retain salts in their body. They have hypertonic internal body environment as compared to the environment. So, in this process, water enters the body by endoosmosis through their organs like skin and gills and disturbs the internal osmotic balance. So, it is the problem of freshwater animals, and they have to cope with this situation. This problem is resolved by different adaptations to remove excess water from the body. And dear students, now come to the problems faced by marine animals. Dear students, marine animals have hypertonic external environment and they face the problem of severe dehydration. Therefore, they need to intake or drink water. But in this case, another problem develops, which is about the retaining salts that enters with water, which also imbalance the osmoregulatory components of the body. So, dear students, marine animals also have some adaptations to face these problems. And dear students, now come to the terrestrial organisms. Dear students, terrestrial organisms retain water in their body while bearing external hot environment. They perspire and not only dehydrates but also lose important salts which disrupts the osmotic balance of the body. So, terrestrial organisms also have some techniques to face these problems and to maintain the homeostasis. So, dear students, here my today's lecture is completed, and inshallah in our next lecture we will discuss the difference between the osmoconformers and osmoregulators. And if you have any type of question related with our today's lecture, you can ask in the comment section. And till our next lecture, stay tuned with Education for All, and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks and Allah Hafiz.